Are you looking for the top 5 best portable and powerful generators of 2026? In this video, we'll be taking a closer look at some of the 5 best portable and powerful generators of 2026 on the market today. Before we dive in, we've included links in the description for each product mentioned, so be sure to check those out to find the one that fits your style and budget. Number 1. 5,000 watts portable dual fuel inverter generator. Reliable power. Flexible start, get 5,000 W peak/3800 W rated on gas or 4,500 W/3500 W on propane with this dual fuel inverter generator. Recoil/electric/remote start options. Fire up anywhere. Run 7.5 hours on 1.8 gallons gas tank at 25% load. Perfect as a generator for camping or backup gas generator for home outages. Clean power. CO alert power sensitive gear safely. 120V28 divided by 30A plus 12V DC plus parallel ports. Inverter generator tech prevents surges. Built-in CO sensor kills the electric generator if risks rise. Overload alerts plus breakers protect your tools whether tailgating or home use. Double your PowerHook 2 portable generators via parallel ports for 7,200 W peak/6,800 W output. Powered by a 174 cubic centimeters engine, it's built heavy duty for RVs or as generators for home use during blackouts. Expandable when you need serious backup. Portability first at 60 pounds with a heavy duty handle. This power generator lifts easily into truck beds or RV storage. Stash it in your garage or carry it to campsites. Compact size, 20.7 inches by 11.8 inches by 20 inches. Makes it the ultimate outdoor generator for storms, job sites, or adventures. Ready day one includes propane hose, wrenches, funnel plus 2-year warranty. Everything to run your generator out of box. Be a gas generator for tailgates or electric generator for emergencies, you're covered. Number 2. Honda 664-240EU 2200i 2200 watt portable inverter generator. The Honda 664-240EU 2200i portable inverter generator delivers dependable power in a compact, easy-to-carry design. Perfect for camping, tailgating, backup at home, or job site essentials. With 2,200 starting watts and 1,800 running watts, it produces clean, stable electricity that's safe for sensitive electronics like laptops, phones, and appliances. Honda's advanced inverter technology and eco-throttle system maximize fuel efficiency while keeping operation exceptionally quiet, so it won't disrupt your campsite or neighborhood. Safety takes center stage with Co-Minder, which continuously monitors carbon monoxide levels and automatically shuts the unit down if they become unsafe. At just around 47 pounds, it's lightweight, yet built with Honda's renowned durability and reliability. You can even pair 2 units together for extra power using an optional parallel kit. With easy starting, low maintenance requirements, and legendary Honda performance, the EU 2200i is a smart, worry-free solution for portable, efficient, and quiet power wherever you need it. Number 3. Pulsar GD10 KBN 10500W Dual Fuel Home Backup Portable Inverter Generator. The Pulsar GD10 KBN is a highly efficient and versatile inverter generator that is designed to provide reliable backup power for both residential and camping. With its impressive 10,500 peak watt and 8,000 running watt capacity, this generator can safely power appliances, tools, and sensitive electronics. At a rated volume of only 68 dB, this generator is ideal for use in social environments without disturbing neighbors or conversations. Additionally, the generator is equipped with rubber outlet covers that keep out dust and debris, ensuring a longer lifespan. The Pulsar GD10 KBN features dual fuel capability, allowing it to operate on gasoline or propane with low idle control to maximize run times. This generator can operate up to 10 hours at half load on a single tank of gasoline. Moreover, its voltage selection enables support for 120 volts or 240 volts, making it a versatile and practical power solution. Number 4. WIN 4500 watt inverter generator. The WEN 4500 watt inverter generator, model 56432IX, is a powerful and versatile portable generator designed to deliver reliable energy for RV trips, outdoor adventures, and home backup without the noise and hassle of traditional generators. Its 181 cubic centimeters OHV engine produces up to 4,500 surge watts and 3,600 running watts, giving you plenty of clean, inverter-style power that's safe for sensitive electronics like phones, laptops, and TVs. Safety and convenience are built in, with a WN Watchdog CO shutdown sensor that automatically shuts the generator off if unsafe carbon monoxide levels are detected, and a fuel shut-off feature that burns leftover gas in the carburetor before stopping to help reduce maintenance issues. Weighing about 53 pounds, this unit is lightweight and easy to carry. Its compact design still packs a well-equipped control panel featuring two 120V outlets, an RV-ready TT30R receptacle, a 12V DC outlet, USB ports, and an intelligent data meter. Eco Mode helps optimize fuel efficiency, giving you hours of runtime at half load. Ideal for recreational use or emergency power needs. Number 5. Champion Power Equipment 2500 Watt Dual Fuel Portable Inverter Generator. The Champion Power Equipment 2500 Watt Dual Fuel Portable Inverter Generator with quiet technology and CO Shield is a versatile and lightweight power solution ideal for camping, tailgating, RV use, and emergency backup. This dual fuel inverter runs on either gasoline or propane, giving you flexibility and extended run times, up to about 11.5 hours on gasoline and up to 25 to 34 hours on a 20 pounds propane tank at 25% load. Operating at a quiet 53 dBA from 23 feet, it delivers 2,500 starting watts and approximately 1,850 running watts on gas, 1665W on propane, with clean inverter power that's safe for sensitive electronics. Safety is enhanced by CO Shield technology, which monitors for elevated carbon monoxide and automatically shuts the engine off if unsafe levels build up. Weighing around 43 pounds, this generator is highly portable and includes a covered 120V household outlet, a 12V automotive-style outlet, and optional parallel capability to link with a second unit for more power. With Champion Smart Economy Mode, efficient fuel usage and reduced noise come standard, backed by a 3-year limited warranty and lifetime technical support.